Today we went to Delsjön for a 2-hour trail run. Weather was not that inviting. We got greeted with some friendly wind and rain. We took an out and back route today. Today we're out conquering the weather. It will feel great afterwards that we've gotten out and resisted the weather. And now we're gonna run one direction Bohusleden for a while. Then we're gonna run back. Same way. One hour in, approximately. Now we're gonna have some fruits and we're gonna have a cozy way back. It tastes good. Yes, we have sea views, 5 degrees and wind, but the fruits are very nice.